Hey there, here's a quick tip. If you want to respond to Instagram comments very easily, I actually really like using the Facebook Pages app manager that you can download. I know this sounds a little wacky. Whoa, hold on, it's for Facebook, but I'm using it for Instagram? Yes, here's why. I have found, and Gianluca Russo, who does engagement for a bunch of our brands for Downstage, we've both found that if we only rely on Instagram notifications, it's very easy for things to get lost in that long, long list. So instead, we use the Facebook Pages Manager app, and that has the inbox on there, the Facebook inbox. And on that inbox, you can respond to Instagram comments as well as Facebook comments. So that's really where we like to go through and keep track of all those comments and respond, because it's super important to us and to our brands that we respond to every single comment that comes in. So that's a little tip for you. Let me know what you like to do to keep up with all the comments that you get on Instagram.